If your butt's tired, this is what you want. So comfy. It says right in the directions, don't touch. That is cool. It's like someone is holding my bum. It's a really cool chair, guys. A few weeks ago, I was at Napa and I picked up one of their flyers. They had a ton of really cool tools. If you ever go to Napa, grab a flyer. One of the things that caught my eye was this box behind me, which is a little Carlyle tool. It's a rolling stool. It's a fairly expensive compared to what else is out there stool. My hope is that this guy is going to give me something to sit on when I put my boots on in the garage, but also to use as an all-purpose chair. Now, don't get me wrong. I mean, I've used a three-step little mini step ladder to sit on. I've used a 5-gallon bucket to sit on. I have a little bench I made out of some plywood to sit on. I'm really hoping that this multi-purpose stool is going to fit the bill. It's Carlyle Tools by Napa. Part number looks like 8151343. And let's crack this baby open. This seat is so comfy. I mean, I will never sit on a 5-gallon bucket again if this is half as comfortable as it seems like it's going to be. If your butt's tired, this is what you want. This is a fairly substantial piece of metal. This probably weighs 4 pounds, give or take. It's solid. It's got 5 casters. Nothing spectacular, but they seem like they'll be fine. If there's going to be a part that I'm going to, consider the weak link, this is it. It's all plastic. It's over-engineered. I just don't know how this is going to handle it. If it's like 10 degrees outside and you bump this and it falls, I'm assuming they use a good quality plastic. I'd love this to be metal, and I understand if it was metal, it'd probably cost twice as much. You're supposed to just stick them in here, and nothing's happening. So they just want us to stick this in here and apply a little downward pressure. And then remove the yellow plastic cap. Don't touch that button. Do not push on button at the top, and there's an exclamation point, so we're not going to play with that. Don't touch. So we line it up and we push down firmly. Whoa, that's pretty high. Oh, that's cool. All right, guys, any regrets I may have had about purchasing this seat are totally gone. I've got enough height where I can sit here. Yeah, it could be a few inches higher, and I can read the manual or something at the workbench. But then I can also go down and be lower if I want to work on something low. I am 42 inches off the ground. This is comfortable. I'd like it to be about 3 inches higher, but for all purpose, I can work with this. My bum is so comfortable right now. Here we are, we're at full height. Find the thing, and woof. Now we're down. I mean, that's a pretty big difference. Up, down, up. Am I on Sesame Street? Down. We should get some coffee. Put the coffee on the workbench. Talk about whatever you guys want to talk about. All right, guys, I just want to show you how easy this thing rolls on the concrete. I was having a little bit of trouble with my mat. I have an anti-fatigue mat here. The wheels were sinking in, but check this out. I mean, you could probably walk over and grab a set of pliers. And now we're going to do the tie your shoe test. Lowest setting, bend right over. Shoe tie. Oh my God, this thing is awesome. It's like someone is holding my bum, and with these really soft, cushy hands. I can control the height up or down however I want. It's high enough to sit at a counter and read directions. It's low enough where I could probably do a brake job if I wanted to, sitting in this chair. No regrets. It's got a 1-year warranty. It's got a parts list, so if heaven forbid something breaks, it's a really cool chair, guys. Can you just go hit that like button? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe And if you have any comments about this video or you've used a similar chair, let me know. It's going to help YouTube, let other people know about my content, and it'll let me know that you guys enjoy my product reviews. Thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.